This year's Apple drop is the all-new iPhone 13 Pro, which is exactly like the 12 Pro from the front, but has some pretty cool camera features that I just couldn't resist. Now the screen sits at 6.1 inches, and using it for 2 days now, I really can't tell the difference in terms of, my fingers having to move around on the screen. Now the ProRes video and motion display on the 13 Pro really brings out the upgrade, which is like a fluid-like motion of navigating around the screen. It's powered by Apple's all-new A15 Bionic chip, which is capable of handling tele and macro lens with the ProRes display. With all the hustle, Apple has finally released a phone with an all-day battery life while handling 5G. So definitely a great add-on for young professionals and students. So let's unbox this beast, test out the cinematic mode, other photography capabilities, and the all-new features of iOS 15. By now we've all gotten used to the minimalistic Apple packaging, but one of the best parts is taking your iPhone out of its box. After rocking the Pacific Blue on the iPhone 12 Pro last year, this year I decided to get the classic graphite design. Now right off the bat, we have 3 lenses, which seem to have gotten bigger this year, forming the trio of wide, telephoto, and ultra-wide camera lens. Now it's been 2 years since Apple got rid of the charging brick as part of the iPhone accessory kit, but hey, at least we still get the wire, the SIM card pin, and a pretty cool Apple sticker. The exterior of the phone is very similar to the 12 Pro in design, so let's power it up and take a look at those changes. Now the biggest feature Apple has introduced this year is the cinematic mode, which allows you to focus on different subjects during a video, giving a great field of depth like you see in the movies, and perfect to increase the production quality of your videos, just with your phone, especially for creators. Now while this of course doesn't replace a full-frame DSLR camera, it's definitely a feature that will appeal anyone who likes portrait mode on their iPhones. So let's check out the cinematic mode in action. The other features on the iPhone, like the fluid-like ProMotion display, is pretty dope, and the new LiDAR technology is going to definitely be useful in the tool measure as well as augmented reality in the future. It's a high scope of research for biomedical engineering. In my opinion, iPhone has brought out the best camera quality in any smartphones out there in the market as of today. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Like this video if you've gotten to this point, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.